In this crazy market, it can be really hard to get an offer accepted on a pre-existing home. And that means that a lot of buyers are actually finding it easier to buy new construction if they are able to wait for the home to be completed. In the past few weeks, we've had the parade of homes happening here in the Twin Cities, and that's when builders open up model new construction homes to show the kinds of homes that they have available and what they could build for you. So this week, I took a ride out to Eden Prairie to take a look at what Wooddale Builders is doing in their Highland Oaks neighborhood. And I met up with Katie Toy. She's the realtor that represents the builder. She works for Coldwell Banker, and she gave me a little tour. Now, granted, these homes are not for everyone, but it felt like a real treat to me to look inside one of these custom-built homes. My name is Mary Schumann, and I am a realtor here in the Twin Cities, and I make videos every week to help people make good decisions about real estate. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this home. I'm interested. Is this your dream home, or is this not really ticking your boxes? If you have questions about living in the Twin Cities, my contact information is down below this video in the description box. All you need to do if you're on a mobile device is to tap the title of the video, and that's going to pop right open for you. Okay, this is Katie. She represents the builder here at it's Highwood Court?
Highland Oaks.
Highland Oaks.
Yep.
And the builder is Wooddale.
Wooddale Builders. Yep.
Okay. So she's going to take us on a tour of this beautiful new construction home. Ooh, I'm going to stop here because this is beautiful.
We've got pocket doors on both sides, so you can,
which is awesome. That's such an old school kind of a feature. You know, I show a lot of homes in the city that have the old pocket doors and stuff. And you said there's 4 lots available left.
Yeah.
And is it 2-car garage or 3?
This one is 3.
Okay.
Yep. So we do have lots that are 2, like an oversized 2, so 2.5, or a 3-car.
Okay. And I'm gonna follow you.
We've got our laundry on the main level over here. Now Wooddale he's a custom builder, so anything in here can be changed, rearranged.
So pretty. I love a big window in a laundry room. We're working on somebody's house right next door. I'm gonna poke into the garage, is that all right? Oh my gosh, do you guys do standard 2 garage door openers? Isn't that funny that some only do 1?
Yeah.
I think that's such an odd thing to economize on. The closets. I don't even want to call this a mudroom because it's too pretty.
I know. I don't know if you can see the detail on the video for the panels.
Yeah, those are gorgeous. Is that standard?
No, everything's...
Oh, silly you.
Yeah.
That's why I like to get people to buy the model home.
You're right.
Because then they're like, okay, I'm done with this development, and it's got absolutely everything in it.
Yeah, so this one is sold.
It is sold.
We were going to be in our model, well, we are going to be in there for a couple months.
The one next door?
Next door, that we started, but that one's sold as well.
Okay.
So they're letting us...
So you still have 4
4 lots.
that can be built on, but are not currently like,
We haven't started.
are those actual real cakes?
They are. And at the beginning of the year, you can smell how fresh they are.
Not so much at this point. Oh, I love this too. And I love a nice deep farmhouse sink. And I love terrible weather. Oh my goodness. Who wouldn't give their right arm for that? My house doesn't look anything like this. I figured you would have time to talk to me today because it's such terrible weather that... Okay, so which ones are still available on this?
So here we've got 13, 15, and 17. So I don't know. That must have just gone on hold yesterday.
Awesome. And this is what they call a mow and snow. Do they do that?
Yep.
Okay.
They do that for you. It's $195 per month for the association. They also take care of the sprinkler systems.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So that's not really a high assessment.
No.
I've sold condos with much higher.
Yeah. So this one we have a 4-season porch. We have some clients who have done this as a 3-season with like a nice fireplace in it.
I would go for this because I like a place to sit and so pretty.
And then this way.
If you're looking to have someone on your side while you go through the construction process, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.